Hey guys, it's Truman from Tacoma Lifestyle. Today we're going to be unboxing and installing the Boss Strongbox Tacoma Center console safe. I'm sure you heard about this product before. We're going to show you an in-depth of what it looks like and how to install it. It installs super easy, but we're also going to go into showing you what you can possibly fit in there, as well as how big and why you would buy it. If you want one of these, just go hit the link in the description below and get one for yourself, and we'll get into the video. Okay, so here is the box that everything comes in. They keep it really simple for us. This is all that comes with it. It's just 2 replacement bolts, 2 washers, and actually 3 keys for this box. The box itself is fairly simple as well. They just packaged it up really nice for us. So here's the box itself. It is super heavy duty. There's no way you're breaking into this thing. This thing is super nice and it accommodates for everything inside the center console. So it does come with 3 keys for you, so you can put them in different locations, and it just pops up like that. It's nice. The top is spring loaded, and so as soon as you unlock it, it's going to shoot up for you. Comes with this foam pad that you can put at the bottom. Fits perfectly at the bottom, just like the OEM one does. You just replace it with this. And it's super easy install. We're going to show you how to do it right now. Okay, for the install today, it's super simple. All you need is this 8mm socket, as well as this 10mm socket. These are the 2 that you need. This is for the OEM one to remove it, and the replacements are 8mm, so they're a little low profile inside the safe. We're going to be using this small ratcheting socket, but you don't need one of these. You could always just go for one of these small wrenches right here. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and grab our 10mm, and we're getting ready to remove the OEM 2 bolts. We'll show you exactly where they are. Okay, we're going to go ahead and open our center console and then just remove the foam mat at the bottom. Super easy, a corner's cut out, you can just grab it. Down inside you're going to see the 2 silver 10mm bolts. Just going to go ahead and yank those out. Super easy. With this small ratcheting socket, we can get the whole thing down in there. Okay, so now that we got those 2 bolts out, I'm just going to go ahead and remove the foam lining at the bottom and then just throw the Strongbox in. It's super easy. It fits in super duper snug and obviously very flush. Okay, so now we're going to grab our hardware kit. It's got 2 bolts and 2 big washers that we're also going to use and throw on these bolts. So we're just going to switch over from the 10mm to the 8mm. Okay, washer's on. We're just going to go ahead and throw these into the spot and then tighten them down by hand. Okay, now that we got those hand tight, just going to go ahead and tighten them down so they're not going anywhere. Okay, and super easy, you just go ahead and grab one of your keys, shut it all the way, make sure the spring action is closed, and then lock it up. And then this is all tucked away. There's no way you're getting this thing out. This thing is super duper strong and solid. I'd be confident with this thing. Okay, so we just want to size reference this for you guys, just so you know what you might be able to fit in this. This is an iPhone 13, and so it can just easily get thrown in there and lay flat at the bottom. And so this thing is pretty large. Actually, laying flat is just about the exact size of the length of this phone. Also sideways, it also lays flat. And then depth-wise, it's much deeper than this as well. So it's quite big. We'll give you a closer look at what it shows like and throw a couple things in there. Okay, so that is the Boss Strongbox Tacoma Center console safe. This thing is super awesome and very easy to install. I believe anybody can install this product with the 10mm and the 8mm. They make it super easy for you, and it's a very high quality Very valuable product. Again, if you want one of these, just go hit the link in the description below. Get one for yourself. I think this could be used for if you have valet getting in your car or other people you're not familiar with. Even when you're away from the car, you still know it's protected. Thanks again for watching. Make sure to subscribe and comment down below what you want to see on the next video. Make sure to like this video, and we'll see you on the next one.